I think the first thing I should show is what this finalized project is even going to look like, so we know what we're working towards. In this game I've created, we have a map down here that you can go to a bunch of different locations. This is a text adventure game, first and foremost, so everything is going to be said through text and you're going to be imagining different things. But I still wanted to have some way for the player to help orient themselves, something visual so they kind of have an idea of where they are in the world. So we have these little different nodes that you can actually move to, and all of them have some functionality to them. We can hover over them, which makes them highlight. We can click on them, there's some interactivity where we actually move towards there. We have a little markers that show up, like this arrow that shows where the player is, and you can move throughout this entire map by just clicking on it if you wanted. We also have some other little effects going on here. And so pretty much what we'll be covering in this tutorial is the different little functions that these guys can do, right? The interactivity between our mouse, as well as the inner code that makes them look and function the way that they do. We won't be going through absolutely everything because there's just too much for a single tutorial, especially a more beginner-focused tutorial. But I do think that we'll be able to go through enough to see some pretty cool things.